Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. All right, let's begin. First, open your desktop and launch your browser. In the search bar, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once logged in, choose any game and click the play button. Then download the Roblox player from the website. After that, open the Microsoft Store and search for Roblox. Click on the app and select Get to install it. Now, you will have two versions of Roblox, one from the website and one from the Microsoft Store. Once both installations are complete, go to your desktop and open the Roblox player you installed from the website, then open the Roblox app from the Microsoft Store as well. You will now see two separate Roblox windows running on your computer. Finally, log into each window using different accounts. This allows you to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time, even within the same game. So, that's basically how you can have multiple Roblox accounts open at once. That's it for this video. Thanks.